Hello, so this is Lab 12, and our standard is determine author's point of view or purpose in a text and explain how it is conveyed in the text. This is our animation, and on the side it says, hello, my name is Josh, and I am in 6th grade and go to school in Jacksonville, and this is what I learned today. So today Josh learned about different kinds of points of views that a story can be told in, and here we have a little video.
Point of view or person view is telling the story. First person means writing from the author's point of view or perspective. Lizzie wrote the following story. As I walked through the park today, I saw the biggest, most beautiful blue butterfly. Common words used in first person are I and me. Second person is a point of view where the narrator tells a story to another character using the word you. Lizzie told Rosa the following story. You should have seen the butterfly. You would have loved his bright colors. When using second person, the author can talk to the audience. To tell this, writer uses or your. Third person point of view is told by a narrator who is not part of the story. Will tells the following story in third person. She stood staring glowingly at the butterfly. UFO appeared out of nowhere and sucked the little creature into a ship. When writing in third person, words such as he, she, it, and they are commonly used. Now you try. Finish the story using first, second, or third person. Be sure to specify which one you use.
So that's our video. And Josh says, wasn't that cool and fun? And now we know how to recognize different points of view in a story.